2021 and I just graduated in a university in Boston. I'm actually currently working here in Kuala Lumpur. I've been here for 2 months where I'm doing a marketing internship, and I've enjoyed my time so far really well. So that's just a little story about me and what I'm doing. So after I graduated, you know, like many recent graduates, they're kind of stuck on the topic of what they kind of want to do after. They might be lost, they're not really sure what direction they should take, and you know, I was the same as that same group that have no idea what they want to do after they graduated. I actually graduated with a major in marketing, and although I do love marketing, I wasn't exactly sure as to what direction I should take in it. So I kind of just decided, you know, I have this time in my life where I'm completely free, not that many responsibilities, so I decided to take the opportunity to travel around. And not just actually travel, but actually work in different countries to see which best fit me. So right now, I'm working in Kuala Lumpur. I'm actually doing a marketing internship for event marketing in a farm, an urban farm called 𝕊𝕙𝕒𝕣𝕚𝕟, and I absolutely love it, and it's been an incredible experience. And actually, I also was able to do an internship in Hong Kong, where I was doing social media marketing, another incredible experience. And between these two opportunities, I also got the opportunity to travel around to different countries, you know, do like a little bit of tourism. And so in general, what actually everything taught me throughout this journey of traveling and working in different countries, I figured out what it is that I wanted to do. And I realized that the topic that I wanted to do and the job that I want to focus on is brand marketing, for specifically focusing on culture. So I see myself basically just branding specific whatever products or services based on that culture that you need to brand to that specific group or society. And I would have never been able to figure this out unless, you know, I traveled, see different things, meet new people, see different opinions. And so I think traveling definitely opens your mind. You know, take the time to see what's out there, out of your comfort zone, out of your box. You'll really discover yourself. So a lot of you are probably wondering, where did I get the guts to, you know, leave my country and explore the rest of the world? Because it's not easy. You know, a lot of people are very used to being in their comfort zone, and leaving it can be a fear. Well, I've been very lucky that I come from a culture, like I mentioned before, I'm from Spain, where we embrace diversity and, you know, leaving and exploring other possibilities, and that could mean leaving your country. So in Spain, it's very typical to, if you have some free time, to really explore your options outside of your own country. And many of you probably know that Spain is a part of what we call the European Union, and between 28 countries we have freedom of movement. So it's very common for us to work abroad, experience new things. So I've been, you know, taught from a very young age that when given the opportunity to really go out, leave your comfort zone, and maybe I went pretty far, you know, I went all the way to Asia, but it's something that I felt like I've been prepared for, because that's, you know, what my culture has always taught me, that there's more things out there than your own country, your own food, your own people. There's much more to discover out there, and I think through this discovering of outside of my comfort zone is how I really figured out what I wanted to do after graduation. You really get to explore your options and see what you don't like, what you do like, what possibilities are out there, and you meet incredible people that actually do help you in this decision making. So the best thing I would say is, if you're given the opportunity after you graduate, you really have some free time and little responsibilities, and you have absolutely no idea what you want to do, to take the time to leave your comfort zone and see what you like and don't. So you guys probably heard from what I was saying before that I'm from Spain. And I just want to do a brief talking as to how amazing and fun my country is. So a couple things. You guys have probably maybe heard that, you know, we're the party country of Europe. You know, we have that big island called Ibiza that everyone, you know, knows about for partying. But of course there's much more to this fabulous country. But yes, one of the main things is that we love to enjoy our time, and that might be with, you know, being with friends or having a couple of drinks. Of course, you know, being careful with everything you do, but it's very common for us, you know, after work or after, you know, a tiring day, to just have a couple beers with friends, talk about your life, your problems, just enjoy the moment and really, you know, have fun with what you're doing. Food, another amazing topic. We have incredible food, to a bountiful amount of fresh Mediterranean fish to really good meat, like incredible beef, steak, and vegetables. There's so many dishes on the top of my head, but a famous dish that we have is called paella, which is rice and seafood. It comes from the region of Valencia, and that's our national dish. So if you ever get the chance to definitely try that, but we definitely have an abundance of different types of foods. Definitely incredible for tasting. The wine, we have a lot of wine, and it's cheap too. You don't have to pay hefty prices that you usually find in really fancy restaurants. We don't believe in that overpriced strategy, I think we believe that everyone has a right to enjoy all types of different things. And beaches, we have incredible beaches in Spain, more during the summer, but it's very typical to, maybe have a weekend drive down. If you're in the center from Madrid, the nearest beach is 3 hours. So in general, the max you'll ever have to drive is 3-4 hours to the nearest beach. You spend maybe a couple days there. But in general, to kind of, over this whole thing, is that in Spain, we truly like to enjoy life with the company of friends, great food, drinks, and amazing beaches.
It's time for us to exchange our language, okay? Language challenge, okay? Challenge, okay? Because for the first, I don't know how to speak Spanish, but for her, of course, she didn't know how to speak Cantonese. That's really fun. So for the first, I want to know is how to say in what is your name?
So in Spanish,
slowly.
Yeah, in Spanish, I'll do it very slow so it's easy. What is your name is ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? So if I were to...
My turn.
Yeah.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Yeah,
sounds like
very good,
sounds like
very
Japanese,
good.
Sounds
So,
like Japanese.
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo te llamas? Okay.
Yeah.
For Cantonese is 你叫乜嘢名?
Oh, 你叫
乜嘢名?
Wow, these are a lot of hard syllables that I'm learning. Wait, say it again.
Okay. 你叫乜嘢名? 你叫咩名?
Ah, okay. 你叫咩名?
Okay, not bad.
That's
not
probably
bad.
really bad. It's just being nice.
Not bad. Okay.
Okay.
So what's your second questions you want to know?
So the second that I want to know is asking people, where are you from? Because I'm always curious to see where people are from. So in Spanish, where are you from would be ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres?
¿De dónde
Eres.
eres?
Yeah, very good.
¿De dónde eres?
Man, Spanish is so much easier than
It's
Cantonese.
not too hard. Okay, where are you from? Cantonese. 你嚟自邊度?
嚟自邊度?
你嚟自邊度?
你嚟自邊度? I'm
Okay,
probably
okay.
saying it really badly.
Yeah,
I apologize.
Good try. Okay, I think it's more common for the next. I want to know is like, how are you?
Yeah.
How are you in Spanish?
Yeah, typical greeting with anyone. ¿Cómo estás? Very simple.
Bien y tú?
Bien y tú?
No?
What is that?
Sorry. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? Right?
Yeah, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? Okay. For Cantonese, it's called 你好嗎?
你好嗎?
It's very easy.
Ma is the question, right?
Yes.
Ma's
你好嗎? It's a question.
你好嗎?
Okay. So what about for the next? This is really important for me because next time I want to go to Spain again. How to say? If let's say I look in front of me have the one beautiful ladies. How do I say like you are so beautiful?
There's actually, the Spaniards, we can be quite romantic, so there's actually multiple ways of saying it, but I'll give you 2 ways.
Yeah, 2 ways.
So the first one would be like, qué guapa eres. Qué guapa
eres.
eres. Or a more like romantic, nicer way would be, qué preciosa eres.
This one is so hard.
Qué preciosa.
Qué preciosa.
With a P. Preciosa.
Qué preciosa
eres. So that would be like more or less saying you're very beautiful and precious.
Okay.
So But wapa can be like kind of a harsh word, like, you know, kind of catcalling around the street sometimes. But that's direct
So that
translation.
means I better use the second one.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
But
I will repeat again to see the video. Okay, so of course for ladies, how to say like you are so handsome in Cantonese.
yeah, I would like to know.
Yes, it's very important for her. 你好靚仔.
你好靚仔.
Okay, good. That's good. We can repeat again.
你好, wait, can you say it one more time?
你好靚仔.
你好靚仔.
Oh, awesome.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Woo,
That's good. Now we are graduate.
We're good.
Graduate.
Top 4 things I should know in Cantonese.
Yeah, actually Cantonese is I think for you it's quite difficult.
Yeah, it's kind of difficult.
Cantonese is quite difficult.
Pronunciation.
Yes.
I think I need to see the tones because I know there's 9 tones.
I think Mandarin is more easy for you, right?
Mandarin is easier. Cantonese has like 9 tones, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, 9 tones.
But
I've learned.
I know how to speak
Mandarin
Cantonese. So
Well,
I
aren't you
have
just
no
lucky?
this. Yes, I have no this problem. So thank you so much,
Of
Amalina. Thanks for
course.
coming.
Thank you for having me.
Yes,
It was a pleasure.
thank you so much. So hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye.